Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how you can install the Microsoft Teams app on your iPad. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search feature and type in Microsoft Teams. In the search results, you should see it listed right there. So tap on it, then tap on this install button to add it onto your device. If it's your first time installing it, then you should see get. So you'll tap on get. To confirm that you wish to install it, you will double click on the side key and scan your Face ID or enter in your Apple passcode. Once you've done that, your installation will start, so just wait patiently. Once the app has been installed, tap on open to launch it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.